Last week I posted a video about the new Lisa Eldridge Marilyn Monroe collection and it blew up. But the craziest part? Lisa herself watched it, liked it and gave me a comment on my short. Naturally, I jumped up and down, ran around the room and then went straight onto her website and bought 3 more products. Today I'm going to put these to the test to see if these also live up to the hype, including a lip combo that I think might be perfection. Let's get into it. So the first thing I added to my cart is inspired by that legendary old Hollywood secret that Marilyn used to wear Vaseline to get her iconic screen glow. And this is Lisa's modern version. Let's try out the High Key Light. The Elevated Glow Balm Concentrate is a brand new hybrid skincare makeup formula. It's the deeper, bronzier, warmer option than Butterfly Light. See how this adds warmth and luminosity and gives you that Vaseline look without being greasy or sticky. I don't know what she's done, but it does dry down, but not completely, but it doesn't melt anything that's on underneath and it stays all day. I've placed it high, pulling everything up. Marilyn's glow was balm-like and soft looking and this nails it. I'm going to leave blush till last because I've got a super cute, super quick, Lisa approved blush hack that will make sure that your cheeks will match everything else. But now that the base is glowing, let's go to lips. There's been a little bit of a conversation about two of the pencils in the collection already being part of Lisa's collection, and some people see that as a cash grab. I see that as a positive. If she thinks these pencils will match her Marilyn Monroe collection, who am I to argue? As someone who doesn't own Enchantment, I am thrilled. Pulls you in a little closer. Lisa included Enchantment because it perfectly pairs with what's coming next. It's quite hard to define the colour. It's a sort of corally red. I'll just swatch it here. That's the colour. And this is Strawberry Blonde. And it's the most incredible formula and colour. Look at that. Lisa literally researched and formulated this based on a vintage mid-century lip pomade which was actually owned and worn by Marilyn. It's her transfer-proof Velveteen Liquid Lip formula. It gives up to 12 hours of wear. It can be worn full blast like this, or you can pat it out into a soft, blurred strawberry stain. See how the undertones of the Enchantment lip pencil prevents the strawberry tone from looking too cool or too neon on camera. If this is too matte for you, I've got a little bit of Lisa's lip gloss in Petal. And yesterday I just added a little bit and got this rather lovely, juicy lip. So lots of different ways to wear this. As matte as you like, you can blur it out, or you can pop a little bit of lip gloss over the top and get a totally different effect. Now for my final trick, how to do blush. And when I bought my previous products, she recommended that Norma Jean be paired with Butterfly Light to make a beautiful blush. So I'm going to try and see whether this works. I haven't seen her demonstrate this, but I'm going to try and see whether I can get the same effect by blending Strawberry Blonde and High Key Light. Just a tiny bit on the back of my hand. And before it sets down, I'm going to add a little bit of High Key Light. Take a brush. Here we go. See if this works.
Let's get started.
It does. It's polished and surprisingly simple. It's not costumey. It's not trying to look like 25. So that's the look. 3 new products from the Lisa Marilyn Monroe collection. Is it worth it? It's very rare for me to buy an entire collection. As you know, I'm not sponsored and I'm not on any PR list. I buy everything myself. So I think this is worth it. I will use these products over and over. It's very simple and low maintenance. I use a skin tint and some eyeshadow and a little bit of mascara. I'll leave all the products that I used in the description box, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. As for the wear test, I tried these on yesterday and they lasted all day, even though we are sweltering in Europe at the moment. If you're in LA, it's like living in the valley without any air conditioning. But these products do stay put. Tell me in the comments, was I rash going to buy more? If you did like this, drop me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.